Hello guys, in today's tutorial I'll show you guys how to create your Coinbase wallet or your Coinbase account. If you're new to this channel, don't forget to like, subscribe, share and hit the notification bell in order not to miss my upcoming tutorials. Without wasting much time, let's get started. So once you're on the website, you simply need to click on what get started. Once you're there, you simply insert your first name. So once you're there, you simply need to insert your first name. After that, insert your last name. After which, you simply insert your email address. That is the email address in which you want to use. After that, you choose your password. So once you're done with that, you click on this icon. That is if you are 20. That's if you are 18 years old. So you verify yes. You click on that. After that, you click on what create account. So once you're here now, you simply need to verify your email address. So you simply go and check your email address. So when you're inside your email address, you simply click on the Coinbase. So once you're in the Coinbase, you simply click on verify email address. So once you're there, you simply select your country. So that's it. So I'll simply select my country and I'll insert my telephone number. After which I'll click on send code. So once you receive the code, you simply insert the code. After which you click on submit. From then it's going to now take you to the dashboard. From here now it's going to take you to the dashboard where you can buy and receive bitcoins, or you can trade to other cryptocurrencies.